Because of course, I am independently wealthy. I don't need tread steel. I am of the hoi polloi. Well, good morning, guys. It's Thursday. Woohoo! First find, microwave. Pop the back door open, and shit falls out, and shit goes back in, and yeah, okay, wow. Stay put, stay putzin'. It's a little chilly this morning. Oh, this one might be a little bigger than the one I got. Again, no oneies. Oh, this one looks like it's in good shape. Shh. You be quiet. Scrap needs to be. Oh man, that garbage stunk. Oh. Hey, nice. And you know what? So I almost always thought that these had Phillips head screwdriver or screw heads on the back. They don't. So thank God I bought that a set of here we go, 2 microwaves. Woo! Room for more. Let's get it. Come on. Nice little pickup. I don't know how much copper I'll get out of this, but it's got a cord. It's got to have some kind of motor in it. This one's aluminum. Yep, nice trolling motor, look at that. It's heavy. Sweet. Yeah. Nice cord on it. There's probably way more to that, and I'm going to be tearing into it. Alright, hit. Sweet. Thank you, folks. Much appreciated. Totally appreciated. I'm gonna get him. I'm parked precariously, but I want the bed frame. Bed frames. These things, I can get them out from under there without. Get them all at once. Come on. There we go. No grass. Sweet. Pardon my belching. I just had a copious amount of soda. I just don't want all that plastic to deal with. Okay. That's good enough. Is there one on the other one? There is, it's buried. I don't know fool with it. No aluminum cans, nope. There. Hey, I see a fan up the road. Going to get that first. Yep, right there. Want the motors. Yeah, it's a fairly busy street this in the mornings, guys. In this case, oh, hey man, I'm looking out. These things got some heavy metal on them. I like it. Hey, I'll take that. It's a baby. That's small enough, I'll take it. This would be the maximum size I would probably take of these. It's how big it is, 15, maybe 19, I don't know. Alright, I want to lift it over into that seat if I can. Well, that'll hold it. Sweet. Get the copper out of that. Hey, have you been up over on the other side yet?
I ain't been that far yet. You?
Yeah, I did all that, but there's a bunch of stuff there I didn't take.
Oh, for real? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I like, like the camera thing.
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's all right, man.
All right, have a good day. See, guys, I like helping. There was some stuff over there I didn't take. He's welcome to it. But I looked in the back of his truck a little bit, and despite the $60 a ton price, he is doing shred steel, which is fine. That's his choice. He's got an open truck. He can fit a bunch in there. I don't have that kind of space, and I'd much rather go out. Well, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you to all the new subscribers. That is so cool. Shooting for 200. Someday maybe 1,000. I don't know. With shred prices the way they are right now, I'm reluctant to pick it up. I will, but I have a lot to process at the storage unit. And as you saw in the last video, and this one, I have more stuff to process. So my plan is, when I get done with work tonight, is to dump what I have in the van at the storage unit, do street run, try as much as I can to keep stuff that has to be processed to one side and the shred to another side of the van. Little bits here and there, because I need to at least keep 10-15 bucks in cash, just pocket money for gas, a little bit of drink. So this shred I will pick up. I want to tell you all my love to each and every one of you. I truly appreciate that you guys watch my videos. I truly appreciate that people think I'm good, decent enough to subscribe to. So yes, my love to each and every one of you. Thank you for watching, guys. You have a great day.